Hi, this is Wade, Product Support Manager for the Whalen Company. Today we're going to talk about the Telco fan control board used across the entire range of Whalen equipment. Okay, here we have the Telco fan control board. This board will get a 24-volt signal from the thermostat on one of these 5 speed taps, labeled 1SP, 2SP, 3SP, 4SP, 5SP. The logic in the board that's programmed at the factory takes this signal, turns it into a pulse width modulated signal, and sends it to the Telco motor via this plug right here. When you get a call from the thermostat, depending on what speed tap is activated, one of these 5 LED lights will light up dimly. If we get a 24-volt signal on a terminal and the fan is not running, but the LED light is lit, we would go to JP2 over here, second black jumper away from the blue potentiometer. We would remove this jumper. We would turn this potentiometer clockwise, and if the fan ramps up and runs, then we would have bad logic in the board. With that being said, if you leave the jumper off and the potentiometer in position, the fan will run continuously. Therefore, you can have heating or cooling. Be sure to notify your customer that the fan will not shut off regardless if there is a call or not. Thanks for watching our video today, and if you have any other questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to the tech support department at the Whalen Company at 443-258-2786.